have the screens out of my daughter's house. They are all bent. One of them is actually broken, but this is the kit from Home Depot. It seems to be going well. I'll see how it goes. What I've done, where I'm making my cut, I've taped two of them together to get the same length. I'm going to cut through the tape to help avoid scratching everything up. Works okay. Since I don't have a vise, I'm using this V-block. Can you see this? This just slides in here like so, and then when you put the bracket in, works like a charm. The only other thing is to make sure you have things facing the right way. This is the spline for the screen, and this is not. These all have to face the same way. Very important. For the last step here, now the ones with the metal clips in the bottom are a little tougher to get in, but there you go. And it's pretty flimsy too, so just make sure you don't bend it. Trying to get such a Hercules grip on there. And I'm tapping the plastic corner pieces, not the metal frame itself. That would be bad. But here you go. It's very large. Can't get a good shot. But that's it. And then the only thing left is to put the screen in place. I will do that next. Okay, so the deal here, I have the spline tool. This came with spline already in the grooves. I took that out. I've got the right piece for the right part. You basically just get it started. I'm going to make sure that this piece is lined up nice and straight. I have plenty of overhang, and I'm just going to get it started. And there's a small groove. Probably can't see it, but it's in there. It rides along here. There, that's better.